Hey there, future money maestros. Professor Penny here, and this is my fantastic sidekick, Buddy. Ever wonder how some folks make money right from their comfy couch? Maybe even in their pajamas. You know, without needing a fancy office or a grown-up job. Like it's some secret club with a secret handshake. But guess what? That's not true. Well, many people think making money online is super complicated, or only for computer wizards. Stick around, because we're about to explore the amazing world of online earning. You plant little money seeds, and with a bit of care, they grow into a big money tree. What's valuable? It could be your time, your skills, or even your ideas. We'll spill the beans on easy ways to start earning cash, even if you're just getting started on your money-making adventure. Today, Buddy and I are going to show you, in super simple steps, how to make money online in 2025. Curious how you can turn your ideas into real money, almost like magic. Alright, think of making money online like planting a garden. The first step to how to make money online in 2025 is understanding that it's all about providing something valuable to others. It's like doing mini chores for pocket money, but all from your computer. Let's recap. To make money online, you need to offer something useful. Got it, great. It wasn't a huge amount all at once, but it added up steadily. Next up, let's talk about turning your talents into cash. This is a great way to start planting your money seeds. This is like planting a special talent seed. It's a powerful way to make money online. You could write short stories for others. Do you know a lot about video games? You could teach others how to play. But Professor Penny, what kind of money seeds can we plant? Like, what are some easy ways to start? Excellent question. Buddy, one super simple money seed is doing small tasks online. Think of it like being an online helper. She loved helping her friends with their homework, especially math. This could be taking surveys, testing out new websites, or even labeling pictures for big companies. She signed up for a website that pays her to take surveys. Every time she answered questions about her favorite snacks or cartoons, she earned a few money points. Ready to see how these tiny tasks can add up? Let's dive into some real-world examples. I can make something one time. Let's meet Oliver the Otter. He decided to make a simple video series showing kids how to fold different planes. He uploaded it online, and guess what? And it keeps making money. That's like magic. So, how to make money online in 2025 with these small tasks? Imagine our friend, Lily the Ladybug, like making a digital coloring book, an online course on drawing cartoons, or even a fun song. This is called passive income. Lily wanted to earn some extra money for a new art set. She started offering quick tutoring sessions over video calls. She wasn't a world-famous math genius, but she knew enough to help others, and they were happy to pay for her time. After a few weeks, those money points turned into real cash she could use for her art. The wrong way is to think you need to be perfect before you start. The right way is to just begin with what you know. So far, we've learned that making money online starts with providing value, and small online tasks are an easy way to begin. Another fantastic way for how to make money online in 2025 is to share something you're really good at or passionate about. Do you love to draw? You could create custom drawings for people online. Are you a fantastic storyteller? This is often called freelancing, which just means you're your own boss, doing small jobs for different people. Think you don't have any special talents? Think again. Everyone has something unique to offer. But Professor Penny, what if I'm not the best at anything? Nonsense, buddy. Remember Fiona the Fox. Fiona realized she could help other students online who were struggling with math. See, it's not about being the best in the world. It's about being helpful to someone who needs your specific skill. Now, for the really exciting part of how to make money online in 2025. Building a money tree that keeps giving, even when you're not actively working. Think of it like this. You build a cool toy, and then people keep paying you to play with it, even while you're sleeping. One way to do this is by creating things once and selling them many times. Wow, so, it's not magic, buddy. It's smart thinking. Oliver loved teaching his little sister how to make amazing paper airplanes.